Exchange with trivia. Your DNA is 99.9% identical to other humans, with the remaining 0.1% making you unique. Over 98% of your DNA is shared with chimpanzees. If all your DNA were connected, its total length would be approximately 2 meters. Whether you're resistant or sensitive to alcohol is largely determined by genetics. Your brain weighs about 2% of your total body weight. Your brain fully develops around the age of 25. After full development, your brain slowly shrinks throughout your lifetime. The storage capacity of your brain is estimated to be equivalent to 20 million bookshelves. Your brain is constantly emitting electrical signals. Your brain consumes about 20 watts of power daily. To put it into perspective, your brain's daily energy consumption is roughly equivalent to keeping 1 to 2 LED light bulbs on for 24 hours. Your brain uses approximately 20% of the energy you consume. You think around 70,000 thoughts a day, most of which are subconscious. You tend to remember negative experiences 3 times more strongly than positive ones. As a result, negative memories often outweigh positive ones. Over the course of your life, your hair grows about 0.35 millimeters per day. Due to individual differences, people perceive colors slightly differently from each other. Research suggests that women see colors up to 4 times more vividly than men. While men can distinguish around 7 colors, women can distinguish about 29 colors. On average, you unconsciously miss about 30 minutes worth of visual information each day due to blinking and other factors. When you want to calm down, looking at blue or green can help lower your blood pressure and heart rate. If you need to boost your appetite, looking at orange can make you feel hungrier. When you want to feel energized, looking at red or yellow can raise your blood pressure and heart rate. Pulling a nose hair will always make you tear up. From the eye on the same side, you cannot sneeze. With your eyes open, your tears have stress-relieving properties, but tears caused by onions do not. Your ears grow approximately 0.22 millimeters per year and continue growing throughout your life. On average, your ears grow by about 1.5 to 2 centimeters over your lifetime. Asking someone a favor through their right ear increases the likelihood of them saying yes compared to their left ear. Your nose produces about 1 to 2 liters of mucus daily even though you don't notice it. The dirtiest part of your body is not your butt, but your mouth. The number of bacteria in your mouth is theoretically higher than in a toilet. Over 1,000 species of bacteria exist in your mouth. If measured by weight, the bacteria in your mouth weigh about 10 to 20 grams, roughly the weight of a coin. A kiss transfers about 80 million bacteria via saliva. Kissing strengthens immunity to the same bacteria. Between partners, the hardest substance in your body is your teeth. While their hardness differs, your teeth are as tough as steel in terms of Mohs scale hardness. Your tongue has about 10,000 taste buds that detect flavor. The number of taste buds varies between individuals, so everyone experiences taste differently. Your tongue cannot detect the taste of spiciness. The sensation of spiciness is not a taste, but pain or stimulation. You unconsciously touch your face about 320 times a day. Your breasts are firmer than marshmallows. Your fingerprints are nearly identical to those of chimpanzees and gorillas. Your fingernails grow faster in summer than in winter. Your fingernails grow about 4 times faster than your toenails. Your skin completely renews itself approximately every month. In other words, a month later, you're a completely new person on the surface. About 7% of your body weight is composed of blood. The total length of all your blood vessels combined is enough to circle the Earth 2.5 times. Your blood is completely replaced approximately every 4 months. Your bone marrow produces about 2 million red blood cells every second, which last about 4 months. The smallest bone in your body is the stapes in your ear, measuring about 0.1 centimeters. The largest bone in your body is the femur in your thigh, measuring about 45 to 50 centimeters. When a bone breaks and heals, it often becomes stronger than before. If your body lacks calcium, it will compensate by drawing it from your teeth. Your bones generally stop growing around the age of 25. The lining of your stomach renews itself daily. Without this renewal, your stomach would not be able to withstand its own acid. The strength of your stomach acid is so potent that it can corrode metal. Your large intestine is approximately 1.5 meters long. The microorganisms living in your body weigh around 1 to 2 kilograms on average. The number of bacteria coexisting in your body is approximately 100 trillion. Your smartphone has more bacteria on its surface than a toilet seat. The average speed of a fart is 12 kilometers per hour. To put it into perspective, the average speed of a fart is similar to riding a bicycle at a leisurely pace. You burn more calories in winter than in summer. Food you swallow takes about 5 to 10 seconds to reach your stomach. When you're feeling extremely hungry, sprinting for 10 seconds can temporarily suppress your hunger. Studies show that regularly eating fish can reduce the risk of sudden death by 50%. It's estimated that you unconsciously consume about 0.5 to 1 gram of insects per year. Over your lifetime, you are estimated to unintentionally consume approximately 20,000 insects. The lowest mortality rate is associated with 7 hours of sleep per night. The best sleeping environment for you includes sunlight entering the bedroom from the east in the morning. Your height decreases by about 1 centimeter from morning to night. A quick way to boost your immune system is by laughing. Studies show that you have an 80% chance of experiencing lower back pain after reaching adulthood. If your body temperature rises above 42 degrees Celsius due to illness, it can destroy tissues and become fatal. For some reason, you can run faster, counterclockwise than clockwise. Regular physical activity reduces the risk of dementia by 30 to 50%. It takes only about 1/1000th of a second to decide if you like someone upon meeting them for the first time. The most likely place to meet a future partner remains school and the workplace, both historically and presently. On average, you're estimated to fall in love 7 times in your lifetime. When inviting someone, using "let's do it" is more effective than "why not do it." After marriage, the amount of conversation between couples tends to decrease to about 1/3 of what it was before marriage. There is a 12 to 20% chance that married couples will sleep in separate bedrooms after getting married. The most common cause of marital arguments is money. If family income decreases after marriage, the likelihood of divorce increases by up to 25%. Statistically, there's about a 50% chance you will get divorced in your lifetime. One statistic suggests there's about a 50% chance you will experience fraud at least once in your lifetime. Studies estimate you will tell more than 13 significant lies in your lifetime. Statistically, you'll hear about 200,000 lies told by others over your lifetime. It's estimated that you will lose at least 4 significant friendships over the course of your life. There's a 17% chance that you've urinated in a pool at least once. If you're killed by a living organism, the most likely culprit is another human. If you live to 80 years old, your chance of dying from murder is about 0.5%. Your chance of dying from heart disease or stroke is about 30%. Your chance of dying in a car accident is about 0.8%. The probability that you will die due to an unhealthy diet is approximately 20%. The probability that you will die by suicide is approximately 0.7%. Change with trivia. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.